Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some orange honey whole chicken. Yeah, so these are all of my seasoning. I have smoked paprika, I have onion powder, I have garlic powder, I have chicken seasoning, I have all-purpose seasoning, I have everyday seasoning, and I also have some parsley, and it is 1 teaspoonful. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add 1 spoonful of vegetable oil to my chicken, and I'm gonna also add 1 spoon of butter. Okay, so the seasoning will stick on my chicken, and so it will nice and moist, so that's the reason why. So now I'm just gonna take my bare hands and I'm gonna rub all that butter, all that oil, all on my chicken. Just make sure you spread it all over in the creases inside of it, okay? Because you want your chicken to turn out nice and moist. So follow all these steps. And just to let you guys know, I wash my chicken with lemon and with vinegar, okay? So after I rub all that butter, all that oil on my chicken, now I'm just gonna blend all of my seasoning together, okay? Just make sure everything is all combined. So after all of my seasoning is all blended, now I'm just gonna take my hands and I'm just gonna sprinkle all that seasoning right on my chicken, okay? So I'm flipping my chicken on the other side so I can season it also, okay? So you just want to continue with the same process. So first, I'm just gonna take my hands and just pat the seasoning on my chicken like so. Then I'm just gonna take my hands and just rub it all in. So my chicken is all seasoning, guys. You can always marinate it for at least 2 hours or even overnight. It's all up to you. So guys, here I have my baking tray, and to my baking tray I add some baking paper, and I'm just gonna add some olive oil to my tray. So now I'm just gonna take my hands and just rub all that olive oil all over on my baking paper. So guys, in my plate right there, I have 2 orange and I also have some ginger. As you can see, I cut my orange and I also cut my ginger. That's off of ginger, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make like a bed for my chicken. So as you can see, I'm laying my orange right on my tray like so. So I'm gonna lay my ginger on my orange. Cause guys, what that does is gonna make your chicken have a nice delicious flavor. That ginger, that orange, guys, I'm telling you, your chicken is gonna come out perfect. So now I'm gonna lay my chicken right on my orange and my ginger, and I'm gonna also add some of my orange on top of my chicken and some of my ginger also, as you can see. So I'm gonna squeeze some of my fresh orange juice right on top of my chicken, guys, and I'm gonna put it in my oven for 1 hour and 150 degrees, okay, Celsius. And guys, you can also place a foil on your chicken when it's in the oven, okay? So after 1 hour, that's what my chicken looks like. I removed the foil paper from it off camera. So what I'm doing now, I'm just adding some fresh orange juice to my chicken, and I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys. Put it back in my oven for 30 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. And for this part, I'm not gonna place no foil paper on it. I'm just gonna put it in the oven as it is, okay? So now I'm gonna make my sauce. So here I have some orange juice, quarter cup of orange juice, and I also have 5 spoonful of honey, and I also have some grated ginger, 1 spoon, and 1 spoon of dark soya sauce. And I'm also gonna add some sugar, okay? And that's 1 spoon of sugar. So that's my pot there, guys. So to my pot, I'm gonna add 1 spoon of butter. Just make sure your stove is on a low heat. So I'm just gonna wait for my butter to melt. So now that my butter melt, guys, I'm just gonna stir it. Then I'm gonna add my fresh orange juice. And then after, guys, I'm just gonna add all of my ingredients that I show you for my sauce. So see, I'm adding my ginger. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm adding my remaining seasoning that's left from when I was seasoning my chicken from the beginning of the video. So make sure you leave back some of your seasoning, okay? So as you can see, I'm just stirring it. Then I'm adding my dark soya sauce. So now I'm adding my honey, and guys, after you add it, you just want to stir it so everything will all combine and it blend, okay? Add in my sugar, and you just want to continue to stir it. I'm gonna add some slices of orange, and I'm just gonna leave it, guys, until it became thick and look like a glaze. Just make sure your stove is on a medium heat, not too low, okay? So my sauce is all finished, guys, and that's exactly all you want it to be. Perfect. So I just removed my chicken from the oven, and that's what it looked like. It looks so yummy. What I did, I removed the liquid from my chicken. So now I'm gonna add my sauce to my chicken. Guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good, and it smells amazing. Just put your glaze all on your chicken, okay? So when I finish put my glaze on my chicken, I'm gonna put it back in my oven, guys, for 35 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. Okay, so stay tuned. And you can also remove the orange peel from top of it, okay? So I just removed my chicken from the oven, and that's what it look like. It looks so good. As you can see, guys, it have this nice glaze to it, and that's exactly all you want it to be. It's been baking total for 2 hours and 5 minutes. Okay, so guys, please share this video to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit that notification button so you can receive more delicious video like these. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So stay tuned. So this is what my chicken look like, guys, after I plate it up. I'm telling you, it looks so good. It smell amazing, guys. This recipe is a must try. You can serve it with mashed potato, with sweet potato, with rice, with salad, whatever you preferred. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut into it for you guys and show you guys that is fully cooked. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Love you.